In this chapter, The India's Climate, let us understand why the climate change happens. As the earth spins on its axis, producing night and day, it also moves about the sun in an elliptical orbit that requires about 365 and quarter days to complete. The earth spin axis is tilt with respect to its orbital plane, and this is what causes the season. The climate change is due to various reasons. One of them is due to altitude. The higher the altitude, the colder the climate becomes. This is because the air at the higher altitude is less dense and contains less moisture, which makes it more difficult to retain heat. As a result, high altitude regions tend to have a cooler temperature with lower humidity levels. Another reason for the climate change is humans. The greenhouse gas emission have increased the greenhouse effect and caused the Earth's surface temperature to rise. Burning fossil fuels changes the climate more than any other human activity. Carbon dioxide, it is also one of the reasons because human activities currently release over 30 billion tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere every year. Distance from the sea is also affecting the climate change. The places which are nearer the sea experiences a equable climate, whereas places far off the sea experiences a extreme type of climate. This is due to the presence of land and the sea breeze that places which is near the sea coast experience equable climate, whereas far away ones don't. The climate in Himalaya ranges. In the middle of the Himalayan valleys, the average summer temperature is around 25 degrees Celsius, while the winters are really cold. And on the higher region of the middle Himalaya, the summer temperature is recorded at around 15 to 18 degrees centigrade, while the winters are below freezing point. Now let us understand what is weather and what is climate. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere in a specific place at a given point in time. These atmospheric conditions may take place day by day, minute by minute or seasonally. Weather may involve just one condition of the atmosphere. It occurs in a place within a short period, and what you get on a daily basis is weather. Weather changes within a short time. The specific study of weather is called meteorology, and meteorologist studies weather. Whereas climate is an average weather condition over a place, and it mostly take place over 30 years of time. Climate includes all the condition of atmosphere such as temperature, precipitation, wind, humidity, cloud and pressure. It takes place over the long period of time. What you expect over the long period of time is climate. The overall change and variation of climate are very stable and may take decades or centuries to occur. The scientific study of the climate is called climatology, and climatologists study about the climate. Here you can see some basic difference between the weather and climate in more easier words. Now we are going to learn about seasons in India. Let us know about summer. Summer lasting from March to May. In western and southern region, the hottest month is April and the beginning of May. For the northern region of India, May is the hottest month. In May, temperature average is around 32 to 40 degrees centigrade, or in Fahrenheit it is 90 to 104 in the most of the interior. The weather is hot, humid and dry during this season, and the temperature can rise extremely high in certain places as the earth tilts itself towards the sun. Next is winter. Winter in India typically span from November to February, bringing cooler temperature and the pleasant weather across the country. Northern region experiences chilly temperature with snowfall occurring in mountainous region like Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Winter is one of the four seasons in northern hemisphere where it takes place from the beginning of December to the beginning of March. It is the coldest time of year because it is when northern hemisphere points away from the sun. It is also the season with the least dry light hours. Monsoon. Indian monsoon, the most prominent of the world's monsoon system, which primarily affects India and its surrounding water bodies. It blows from the northeast during cooler month and reverses direction to blow from the northwest during the warmest month of the year. Monsoon on rainy from June to September. Post monsoon from October to December occurs. Autumn, the season between summer and winter, comprising in the northern hemisphere usually the month of September, October, and November, or as reckoned astronomically extending from the September equinox to the December solstice called also fall. The season of autumn comes in the month of September and October.